Hi, welcome back to Burdu channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up sales notifications on your website. Sales notifications are small pop-ups that display recent orders in your store, showing the buyer's name, location, and the product they bought. They help boost sales by building trust with your visitors. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel for hundreds of useful tutorials. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to the layout on the left sidebar. You can add this sales notification on your homepage or your custom pages. Click Add section and select Sales Notification. By default, the notification appears in the bottom right corner, but you can move it anywhere. For example, to the top left, right, or bottom left. You can also choose to show or hide details like the product name, price, and time. Next, you can change the design of this pop-up. Click Change and you can select whatever you like. Also, you can change the background color, title color, time, and also product. Just customize this option according to your website theme. You can also change the image size, curves, and shadow. Now let's edit the title of the notification. This is the message that shows in the pop-up. You can use variables like name, location, product name, and product price. As an example, I will type the name variable from the location variable has been purchased. You can also trigger a Facebook pixel event when someone clicks on the notification. Now click on the condition setting. In the Show When option, you control when the first notification appears, either immediately when the page loads after interaction or wait after 1 to 90 seconds. You can also set how long to wait before showing the next notification, anywhere from 3 to 120 seconds. And you can also set how long the notification will hide automatically. Next, head to Variable Settings. In the Variable Type section, if you select Custom, it means the notification will be shown based on the data you enter here, such as name, location, and time. And in the Product section, you can set which products will appear in the sales notifications. You can choose based on category from the catalog or select products manually. But if in the variable settings you choose from order data, that means the sales notifications will be based on the actual order data from customers who have already purchased. To preview how it looks, just simply click Show. Click again to view the next variation. The customer name and location you see here now come from the variable list you just set. Once you're happy with the setup, click Done. Then Save. Now, let's view the page. This is the website page where we added the sales notification earlier. This notification will appear a few seconds after the page has fully loaded, according to the settings we configured earlier. It will also switch to the next notification as we set in the settings. Hope it helps. Like this video, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more step-by-step guides. Also, follow us on social media for more great content. See you!